Hello world, today we're here with Will Tennyson. We're going to be making some delicious coffee. Will, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Man, I'm excited. Do you drink coffee a lot?
Coffee is the key to my heart. It's my favorite drink of all time.
Yeah? What do you like to drink?
I just drink black coffee.
Black coffee?
Yeah, and if I have a cold brew, a little bit of sugar-free syrup.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Will's a black coffee guy, or a very basic coffee guy. Today we're about to blow his mind.
I'm excited for that.
Yeah. Okay, so we're making a salted caramel, sweet cream cold foam over an iced Americano. Have you ever made coffee like espresso on an espresso machine before?
Never, no.
All right, cool.
Especially out of the back of a truck.
Especially out of the back of a truck. So this is true like off-road, on the go type stuff here. All right, so this is a very basic espresso machine. It's really good for like new coffee people or beginners or all the way up to advanced. So it's pretty much gonna do everything for you. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take this here. This is called the portafilter.
Okay.
So this is called the portafilter, and it's got a basket where it's gonna hold all the grounds. And all we're gonna do is put it in here and push it until you hear a click.
Okay.
And it's gonna automatically dose as much coffee in there as you need.
All right, let's do it.
So with espresso, in the basket, you want 18 to 22 grams of coffee.
Okay.
And that'll be the perfect amount. But here, we're not measuring it.
Yeah.
We're not, like I told him earlier, we're not coffee snobs around here.
Yeah. We're
just trying to make yummy coffee that's gonna get us caffeinated. All right, so now you're gonna take it out of there. We lost a little bit.
Okay.
Shout out the fallen soldiers. But we're gonna just put it here, put your hand over the top and kind of tap it a couple times. Like tap the actual thing on there. Okay. So now we got it kind of tapped down a little bit.
What? Okay.
We're gonna take this piece here, so you can put it put the bottom part here.
Yeah.
And then, so this is called the distributor. It's just gonna kind of flatten out the coffee.
Okay.
Should be good.
There we go.
And then the other side, so then you flip it over. So this is called the tamp. So this is where you want to put it down and actually compress the puck.
Okay.
Because that's gonna make sure that we get a nice shot of espresso.
All right.
And if you could estimate about 40 pounds of pressure.
40 pounds of pressure. Is this what you have to be thinking about, like being a barista? No.
It's not that serious. I mean, it is. There's like world.
This seems pretty serious.
There's world barista championships and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It gets really intense. But as long as you push it hard, it's cool.
Well, is this a fruity roast or a nutty roast?
This is a nutty caramely roast.
That's my favorite.
This is gonna be perfect for our espresso shot.
Okay.
All right, so we got the puck fully compressed. Now we're gonna simply take it. This is the hardest part.
Oh shit.
Just getting it locked right into here.
Okay.
So go this way with it. All you do is press this button.
That I can do.
And it's gonna come out with 2 shots of espresso.
All right.
So out of 10, how difficult would you say it is to make your own shot of espresso?
I'd say because I screwed up a few times, I'm gonna give it like a 6.5.
Okay.
6.5, 7.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
That's still, I would put that on the easier side still.
Yeah, I think after like maybe 3 times, I'd be like pretty.
Especially
good at
like just because I told you exactly what to do, you're able to just crank it out. All right, so we got our coffee here. Now we're gonna assemble our drink.
Okay.
So there's your cup. Go ahead and go in the cooler and grab some ice.
All right.
Solid.
Yeah. There we go.
And just pour the ice into the cup.
All of it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So what we're gonna make here is called an Americano.
Okay.
So an Americano is water and espresso. And where it came from is back during World War II, when US troops were in Italy, they would order the espresso, right? Because that's all they drink in Italy is espresso.
Yeah.
And it was too strong for these pussy-ass Americans, right?
Wow, really?
Yeah, so
oh
it was
my
too
God.
strong, so they would water it down. And that's where the term Americano came from.
Wow, that's cool.
They would have to water the coffee down for American soldiers in Italy. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's actually super cool in my opinion. Okay, so all we're gonna do is a little bit of sugar-free vanilla syrup.
All right.
Maybe like a couple teaspoons.
Okay. Usually when I order at Starbucks, I'm like half sweet.
Okay, cool.
I'm a half sweet guy.
Yeah, just do a little splash then. Plenty, yeah.
Good, yeah.
Perfect. So that was on point. All right, so next up, we're gonna do the water.
Okay.
Plenty. All right, next is going to be, we'll do the espresso next.
Espresso?
So just pour the espresso right on top. All right, this is my favorite thing to introduce people to, and that's making your own cold foam. It's probably one of the easiest things you can do, the most macro-friendly things you can make, and it's delicious. It's literally like ice cream or whipped cream, but with virtually 0 calories. So
really?
Yeah, it's got like less than 50 calories for a serving of it, and it's not gonna taste like it. So all you need to do to make your own cold foam is you get your cup, right?
Okay.
And we're gonna take some regular Plain old
half and half. Okay.
You're cool with dairy?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just go ahead and pour maybe like 1 or 2 ounces in there. That's good. So you just need a little bit.
Okay.
And then what we're going to use today is a little bit of
salted caramel
syrup.
Okay.
So just take this and just give it like 2 squirts. Solid.
Good.
Cool. And then final step, just take a hand frother.
Okay.
And then froth it, just like move it around and stuff for like 15 seconds, maybe. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It just
Yeah.
foams right up instantly.
Yeah. I've never had cold foam before.
Yeah. It's so good. And it's literally done. That was like less than 10 seconds.
And that's it?
Yeah. It's ready to go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Good, right? I'll grab that from you. This part right here, this is the important part.
Yeah.
In the industry, we call this the money shot.
Oh, the money shot.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you go ahead and pour the cold foam right on top.
Do I have to do a certain clockwise, counterclockwise?
Hey, whatever you feel.
All right.
Whatever you feel Mother Nature's telling you to do.
There we go.
Perfect.
Go.
Now we're just gonna add one more.
Whoa.
Yeah. We're
That was
just gonna
pretty.
add one more little splash of half and half. There you go.
Good.
Solid.
That's definitely the prettiest cold brew I think I'm ever gonna.
You made that.
Yeah. Wow.
You crafted that. This dude should be a barista.
Yeah. We skip over me making it and just the final product.
Got it. All right, sweet. So that's it. Let me give it a try real quick.
Okay.
Live reaction. Yep. Let's go.
Whoa. Oh my God. The nutty caramel
The espresso's
coffee
really good, right?
goes so well with like
Yeah.
the cold. Wow.
Hell yeah.
It's literally like melted ice cream.
Yeah, so good.
I love that.
Yeah.
And it's how many calories?
This is less than 50. It's like 45. No
Like
sugar.
if I didn't know, I'd be like, this is a drink I could have like only on my birthdays. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah. No sugar, less than 50 calories. Salted caramel, sweet cream, cold foam. Over an iced Americano with some sugar-free vanilla syrup.
10 out of 10.
Hard to beat.
Yeah. Thank
All
you,
right,
man.
dude. You got your coffee.
Yeah.
I got my coffee. Let's chat.
Yeah, for sure. Let's do it.